Let's do it.
You sure about this?
Got Kevin and Eric here just in case.
Yo, check it out. See if you can like pull the door or something.
Sure about this, bro?
Dude, this cop car has been here for the last month, hasn't moved. So we're trying to guess right now if it's even a real cop car, but we're trying to film some content. So we're trying to guess right now if it's even a real cop car, but we're trying to film some content and stuff.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, we're gonna do this. We gotta do this, like, quick, bro. Like, come on. It's not a joke.
It's been here for a month. Like, we have nothing to worry about, right?
I mean, it's still a cop car.
You know, our boys are telling us do the content now, get it done. Like, there's no license.
But just hurry up, bro.
All right, you guys want to do one inside the car or drive?
No, we have to do it inside. Let's go drive.
Oh my God, bro. Hurry up, dude. This TikTok
I'm not
right
going
now.
in there. I'm not
Just get it
going.
done
Bro.
now, bro. Come on. All right, me and Lucas are going in first.
You wanna go in?
Yeah, I got it. Let's go.
Bro, just
Just
hurry
fast, bro.
up,
Don't
man.
worry about it. Yo, these seats are hard, bro.
All right, bro. Come on. Take out your phone, bro. You gotta do it now, man.
Marcus, come on.
Let me go on the other side.
Oh my gosh,
We're in the cop car right now. This is crazy.
bro. You guys are crazy right now, bro. This
All right,
is
cool. So we're
insane.
gonna film some content.
You sure?
Yeah. Hurry up, man.
All right. What is he doing, bro? Hurry up. Bro, this is definitely a cop car. Like, come on, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm telling him to hurry up. Bro, this is totally a cop car, bro. He's even got the laptop, bro. Oh, nah. What? Yeah, just keep going, bro. Cop.
Crazy?
Bro,
Whose idea was this?
Cop is there. The cop is there.
Oh, he's coming in right now. Is he gonna see us? Why didn't they get out?
I don't know. It was too late. I don't know, bro. It was their decision, man. Oh my God, I'm
You
freaking
didn't tell
out.
them not to go
Bro,
in and close the door?
I told them, are you sure?
Cancel by code 6.
This is not good.
No, it's not. They're still in the car.
No, starting the car.
Is he leaving?
Oh, wait.
Turn on.
Oh, Cab, we gotta
Follow
him,
them,
bro.
Follow them, bro. Come on.
Can someone text Cyrus right now? And see what
Bro,
he-
text them, bro.
Here, I can't text and drive.
Yeah, I'll text him.
Oh no, bro.
So
Just
look, I got this, bro. We're just
try,
gonna keep
just
a
try to
low
stay
profile.
on this tail, bro. Please. Just keep it very low key, bro. Excuse me, officer. Officer.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna get just a little bit closer.
That's it. That's good.
Oh,
Yeah, we got in here by accident.
What do you mean, accident?
Yeah, we got in here by accident. The door was unlocked. We thought it was not a real police car, and we got in. We just want to film content. We're influencers.
What are you thinking?
oh my goodness.
No way.
So, and we're just wondering if you just let us out because it was by mistake, and there's no handles here. So,
Yeah, your mistake, not mine. 1837, I have a issue here. Have 2 stowaways in the back of my squad.
Kevin's still there, bro.
Look, I'm just casually gonna pull in.
Just stay right there. Stay right there, bro. Just chill. Hold
Look,
up.
look, you can't see that we're watching. Okay. Apparently they're having some sort of conversation. I think he's yelling at them.
I'll be 10-6 this location for now.
We can't just get out. Can we just get out?
Yeah, just open the door.
There's no door
There's no handles.
Oh, really? It's a police car. Of course there's no door handles. What are you guys thinking?
We're sorry. We apologize. Like,
And what's that going to get you? You're still stuck in the back of a police car.
Is there a ticket we can pay or something?
I have to take you in now. You have to go through the court system, so you'll be booked in jail for trespassing. Not a real smart move. What are you guys thinking? Please tell me. What are you thinking?
Nah, look, we make family worldwide content. We spread good vibes. Like we're just recording some content.
Well, you're
we're
those
good for
YouTuber kind of guys?
Yeah, we're good for the society. Though. We haven't done anything bad. You know, we're chilling. Like it's all love
we'll
here.
find that out once you've been booked.
Yeah, we just thought like.
You just thought what?
I guess we're just in it now, so we just gotta.
Yeah, we're just trying to make a short video, like in the cop car, but then.
Everything okay, bro?
That's so awkward right now for them.
What's going on, man?
Did you try unlocking the door?
Bro, no, I mean,
Let's go.
I tried to let them know.
We need a plan of action, bro. We need a plan of. This is bad, Steve.
But
1037. I have 3 suspects in the back of my car, stowaways, have no idea. They just decided for fun that they would get in here. I'm to transport them into the police department.
Should they get us
and,
out?
Book them in jail for trespassing.
You're gonna call one of them to come get us out, like.
yeah, I don't know, but now we're moving, bro.
Wait.
Can you drop us off back at the house? Back at our place?
For what?
Our address? It's right up the street.
And why do I care about that? What is the point here?
I mean, we didn't know that this was a real cop car. We didn't know this was a cop car, bro.
Really? Which part of this doesn't read real cop car?
Kevin,
Let's go see what they're doing. You just turn on the light.
Where are you guys from?
we're from Maryland,
Oh.
but like we live here too now. So, and it's really right up the street. Like, if you can just forgive us, like, and our friends right behind us.
This is your vehicle?
Yeah, these are our friends. These are brothers.
Let me talk to you.
Yeah, why do we do that? We didn't know there was gonna be a cop just coming out of nowhere.
Oh my God, bro! Park it! Park it! Park it! Park it!
He's
Bro.
pulling us over now.
Park it! Yeah. Ready, bro?
Hello,
These
officer.
jokers say they're with you.
I don't know who these
Is
jokers
this funny?
are.
Sir,
No. It's not
I'm not
funny.
talking to you, I'm talking to him.
I think he's talking to them right now.
Dang, this just gave me instant adrenaline rush now.
I know who this guy is, but I don't know who.
So you don't know these guys then? So you don't know them, you're telling me that?
I'm gonna start filming you now.
Yeah, bro.
You're saying that they do?
No.
Yeah, we do know them. We do know them.
We know them.
Officer, we know them.
Okay,
What are you
why
doing,
are we
bro?
playing games, guys?
No,
We're not
please.
playing any games with you,
Look,
officer.
it
I'm
was their.
pleading the 5th, so you guys can talk to the cop.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
fine.
you can plead the 5th. Sir, would you like to talk to me?
So I would love to talk to you.
Let's just
officer.
come out,
So
come
we
on,
do
come
know
on.
them. So let's just go.
Yeah, let's get out. Come
Were you
on.
able to come out the vehicle?
Over here.
Okay.
Watch your back.
Even Steve's in trouble. They're getting in trouble. Why Steve's about to get in trouble. I don't know why he's still filming.
What is the story here?
They just wanted to film.
Officer, we just thought it would be funny. You know, we make content for YouTube and social
I
media.
know,
and
they
stuff. We
told me
thought
you're
it would be
these
funny.
like YouTuber kind of guys. and-
Yeah, we saw the car parked there for a while. We didn't even know if it was really a cop car. We just thought we should, test it out and see.
Which part of all this don't you think is a cop car? Tell me.
In
please.
hindsight, it sounds like a bad idea, but we really didn't know.
Marcus, can you knock on the window? Maybe the guy can let us out.
Steve. He's yelling at us.
Dude, we gotta like climb to the front or something, bro. Like, actually,
We
get in trouble.
can't. Yo. Nah, there's no way.
Yo!
Steve's scared. Look at him sweating.
Eric, this does not seem real.
Can you let us out?
What's going on? Open the door, bro. Open the door, bro.
Let us out.
Kevin's got it.
You better let us out. Everyone's looking at us. It's coming. Oh, Marcus.
We're just gonna go home, right? So we're sorry, officer.
Go home.
Thank you.
Go.
Appreciate you. God bless you.
Go.
Thank you, officer.
Stop screwing around.
Let's just go. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
just happened?
You were just about to go to jail. That's what almost happened.
You guys said it was good. We all knew it was probably chill, right?
Bro, he did not like that, bro.
What was that? We gotta get out
Did
of
you guys set us up? Did you guys set us up? Obviously, there's no license plate.
Yo!
All right, go back home. Go back home, bro. Let's go something to eat. Forget that, bro.